Hey, it's Justin for Party Rental Knowledge. If you don't know, I help teach tips and tricks in the party rental industry. Today's video is going to be about how to drum up more business and create business where there never was before. So this is a subject that's actually pretty easy for me because I got a big mouth. Every time I go somewhere, I'm always talking about my party rental company, even if I'm not doing party rental stuff. Today, I'm snow plowing. I don't know if you can see it all, but windows are pretty dirty. I'm snow plowing. I just did somebody's driveway, and I saw she had a kid, so I told her about my party rental company, and I just booked her son's 8th grade graduation. So if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button so you can see more of my tips and tricks in the party rental industry. Have you ever heard how business cards don't work? Some people say they don't work. It's probably because they don't hand them out. Me personally, I'm always talking about my company, always handing out business cards. And that's word of mouth, and that's creating an opportunity where there wasn't one beforehand. You see somebody with kids, hand them a bounce house card. You got a friend with kids, talk about your party rental company. You see somebody's about to get married. Oh, tell them you have tables and chairs. Not everybody, some people think, oh, if you create it, they will come. No, you probably should do some SEO, marketing, and you should probably do some Google AdWords. You gotta put yourself out there for you to be able to receive things in, and the more you put yourself out there, the more things are gonna happen, people. So what I want you to do, if you can, is next time you go to the grocery store and you're checking out, and the person seems to be in your age graphic for a customer, a woman between the ages of 25 and 35, just go ahead and, hey, do you have any kids? I own a bounce house company. Sometimes I go up to people, hey, do you have any kids? And they look at me like, okay, that's weird. I'm like, listen, I have a bounce house company. And as soon their face cheers right up. I'm like, oh, you got bounce houses? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about coming off as weird. Let people know what you do. And then if they need you, they're going to use you. And then you have a face-to-face interaction. It's so much better for the sale. You get I'm not worried about marketing because I can create my own business. People want to party after talking to me when they never even wanted to party before, just because they see all the cool stuff I have. Oh, we could do this, and the third, and then suddenly now you're talking apart the whole block, and suddenly your neighbors aren't freaking calling code enforcement on you anymore, and all kinds of stuff. I could turn almost any situation to, hey, well, you should probably party about it. Okay, everybody, I hope you liked the video. Here's where it gets weird. Go ahead and watch one of these too, because I don't know what to do on these end screens, but they're just move around and shake around and all kinds of stuff. More snow. Like and subscribe, everybody. Check out the next one.